Hello. Wanted to share with you a little bit of something I found too. It's been a few weeks back that I thought, when we were having the warmer weather, I thought I'm gonna go ahead and just plant a little bit of lettuce outside because, you know, it's supposed to be a cold crop and everything, but nothing had ever become of it. But I came out here just now, just out of curiosity, and I found some. So let's take a look. Okay, this is lettuce coming up, and it's not been in the greenhouse. It's not had extra special protection or anything, but it is coming up. And this is close to the house, so it'll be easy to use as we need it. Another thing I did, I'll go over here, is I had a bundle of onions that I had gotten from the store. This is the ones that had the little green onion on them, and then it has like the stalk or stem or whatever you want to call that. And I knew that we were not going to get to them and eat them, but I didn't want them to go to waste. So I thought, out of curiosity, let's plant those, spray some apart, and see if maybe they'll double or anything like that. It looks like that they are still alive and healthy. So later in the year, we'll pull up some of those and we'll see if they actually did make more onions or if they're still just the same little stalk that I put in there. So, curious. This is my one little lonely rhubarb plant. We actually planted several of these last year in a different location. This was the only one that came up. And because we wanted to move the stump where we planted these around, I went ahead and dug it up and took the chance of planting it over here. When I did, it only had a little bit of the stem and had one little leaf, but it looks like it's going well. So this is probably where I'll keep it. Rhubarb will eventually spread out and make more rhubarb around the area. So I'm not sure about harvesting this year, but we might. Well, I tried to combine all the chickens and the roosters together. Didn't work out so nicely because my big red rooster fought this one until, I don't know if he's got one eye and he's got blood all down the side of him. You can see him here well or not. So I pulled the big red rooster out. You can hear him behind me having a fit. So I guess I'll just have to have two pens because I can't handle animals doing that to each other.
What a bit of rock. We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.